Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, another day and another monster movement on this one. Volume has remained extremely impressive, and of course, the price movement continues in the upwards direction. So going into the weekend, certainly updates need to be made. Did this analysis on Thursday, but after today's price movement, like I said, updates are needed. So first I'm going to do is actually just get rid of these lines here. Sure, they still pertain. They're just not really relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint where I said, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's annotations all over the place. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 40 cents is what I would now consider the ideal level of support going forward. Meaning, if you're to ask, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? Certainly, ideally speaking, if the price can stay above 40 cents, that would be a huge sign of power. With all that being said, it's not like if the price falls below 40 cents, that means the chart is epically destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, if the price could stay above 40 cents, that would be a great sign of power. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 40 cents would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, what I'm curious about now going forward is this little resistance trend line right here. A high volume break of that. I'm not going to say it is for sure guaranteed sending it up to 60 cents since there are no guarantees in the market. But yeah, a good solid high volume break of that trend line. It would not be shocking at all to see the price then go on another nice movement there. But like I said, volume is going to be key on any sort of break. But all in all, any way you look at it, as long as the price continues to chip away and build those higher lows like it's been doing for the past several days, then really resistance levels don't matter. So just focus on healthy consolidations, focus on building those higher bases, and sit back and let the trend continue to do what it's already been doing. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.